Welcome to the new 2019 Mazda Miata RF. This is probably the hairiest car that's going to be out on track today. Where is my start button on this? Aha! Right in front of my face. I'm Tedward from Winding Road Magazine, and gonna go take this out around Road America here at the MAMA Rally, Midwest Automotive Media Association. Sorry about that, window was down. Oh, it's dry now, we can actually drive. Still a little damp there. I go for the shifter a little too early because I'm expecting the revs to come up faster, and they do not. Here's a little chicane. Not supposed to hit the rumble strips on this track because they are pretty aggressive. Now I'm having fun. What a car. Man, you know what? I should get a Miata. This thing is amazing. Now we're talking. We've got grip. Tomorrow we're going to be out, actually the next day we're going to be out at the Tire Rack test track, and I'm really excited to drive Chris's BRZ on that. Right now I am starting to really love this Miata. Bad downshift, but we'll take it. What a playful car. Just gonna settle it here a little bit. Come up, eyes up at that cone. Loads of room. This turn, I have not mastered this turn. I come into it too hard sometimes. What a car. So, that is a 2019 Miata, guys. I like it a lot, and more importantly, that's Road America, so I'll learn it and I'll get better. So if you're watching any of the Winding Road videos that I'm doing on here, you gotta give me a little bit of leeway because I jumped out there with the camera like immediately on track, and I basically had no idea what I was doing, where I was going, and it was foggy and wet. So all those laps, I might go do a few more just to like recapture what it's like in the dry, because it was pretty dicey earlier. So let's go check this car back in. Boop. There you go. It has dried out a lot. It's so much better. I see it.